y'all, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming through to watch another one of my videos. So I wanted to show y'all this wig I was sent from SUNBER hair. These are all of the goodies that came in my packaging, and this is the wig. I got a 24-inch reddish brown kinky straight wig. This is their natural density, so I'm not sure of the percentage of the density. It's a lace front wig, and it comes with an elastic band, adjustable straps, and combs. I really didn't know how I wanted to style this wig, so I decided to press it out, and I started off by blow drying it out. I have it on high heat, high speed. Alright, and I have my flat iron on, I believe it's 450. This is a Conair. My blow dryer was a Conair, and my flat irons are Conairs as well, if I'm not mistaken. But yeah, I'm just pressing out the hair. I didn't use any product on this hair, y'all, so this is it being pressed out as it is. No product, nothing added to it besides what I washed and conditioned with. Alright, y'all, so a few things about this wig. I really didn't have any complaints when it came to this wig. I love the color. I did try to bleach my knots on this one. I do know that sometimes with color hair you can do it and sometimes you can't. So I tried to do it with this one. They didn't turn for me. So if I were you, I wouldn't waste my time doing it unless you do like the color oops method. But anyway, the hair was really nice, really soft. I love the density Again, I have a natural density, not sure the percentage, but that is what I have, I do believe, and I love the density. I love kinky straight hair, so I really love this unit. One thing I really love is how well it pressed out. It looks so pretty, and it just mimics textured hair so well, especially when you press it out, like you in your silk press era. So I really like this wig. So if you're interested in this wig and or this company, I'm going to have all of the information and the specs down in my description box. And yeah, I'm going to get out of here, y'all. So thank y'all so much for coming through to watch this video. Again, I love y'all, and thank you to SUNBER Hair for allowing me to try this wig. I really appreciate it. And yeah, I'm gonna talk to you all later.